Welcome back to Joda Decor, the channel where we bring timeless vintage inspiration into modern living. Today, we're diving into bathroom decorating ideas that turn your space into a spa-like retreat on any budget. If you've been dreaming of a calm, luxurious bathroom without spending a fortune, this video is made for you. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below which idea you want to try first. The first step to creating a spa-like bathroom is choosing a soft, relaxing color palette. Think creamy whites, warm beige, muted sage, dusty blue, or gentle blush tones. These colors instantly create a peaceful atmosphere and pair beautifully with vintage-inspired decor. Even if you can't repaint, you can bring these tones in through towels, rugs, and shower curtains. Lighting can completely transform your bathroom's mood. Replace harsh white bulbs with warm lighting, and consider adding a small vintage-style wall sconce or a soft pendant light if possible. If you're on a tight budget, simply using a warm-toned LED bulb can instantly make your bathroom feel cozier and more luxurious. The goal is to create a glow that feels calm and inviting. Next, let's talk about textiles, because spa bathrooms always feel soft and comforting. Upgrade your towels to fluffy white or neutral sets, and layer them neatly on open shelving or in baskets. Add a plush bath mat and, if possible, a fabric shower curtain with subtle texture like linen or waffle weave. These simple changes bring instant elegance without major renovation. For a vintage spa vibe, storage must look beautiful, not cluttered. Use woven baskets, antique-style trays, or glass jars for organizing cotton pads, soaps, and bath salts. Thrift stores are perfect for finding charming containers that feel expensive but cost very little. When everything has a place, your bathroom automatically feels more peaceful and polished. One of the most affordable ways to create spa energy is by adding natural elements. A small vase of eucalyptus, dried lavender, or fresh flowers can completely change the atmosphere. Even a tiny potted plant like a fern or pothos adds freshness and softness. Nature brings balance to vintage decor and gives your bathroom that calming retreat feeling. Now let's elevate your bathroom accessories. Swap plastic soap dispensers for glass pump bottles, ceramic dishes, or amber apothecary containers. These instantly make your space feel like a boutique hotel spa. You can even buy inexpensive refillable bottles and label them with minimal vintage-style stickers for a classy, coordinated look. Mirrors are another powerful spa upgrade. If your current mirror looks plain, frame it with a vintage-style frame or replace it with an arched or gold-toned mirror for a timeless touch. A beautiful mirror not only reflects light, but also becomes a statement piece that makes the entire bathroom feel intentional and stylish. Add a touch of luxury with small spa-inspired details. A wooden bath tray, rolled towels, scented candles, or a small bowl of bath salts can create that relaxing atmosphere instantly. Even if you don't take baths, styling your countertop with a tray holding a candle and perfume bottle creates the illusion of a spa retreat. It's all about presentation. Don't forget the walls, because they're often overlooked in bathroom decor. Hang vintage botanical prints, black and white photography, or small framed quotes in elegant frames. You can also add a tiny floating shelf to display a candle, a plant, or decorative bottles. Wall decor gives your bathroom personality and makes it feel like a complete room, not just a functional space. The final secret to a spa-like bathroom is keeping it clean and minimal. A clutter-free sink area and neatly arranged shelves instantly feel calming. Choose a few beautiful items to display and store the rest out of sight. When your bathroom looks organized, it feels luxurious, even if every piece was affordable or thrifted. And that's it to simple and budget-friendly bathroom decorating ideas that can turn your space into a spa-like retreat with a timeless vintage touch. Remember, luxury isn't always about expensive renovations, it's about atmosphere, softness, and thoughtful details. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Joda Decor, like this video, and comment below which idea you want to try in your bathroom. See you in the next vintage decor inspiration.